Hello friends. Welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how to download and install Arduino IDE on Ubuntu OS. I am using 22.04 LTS version of Ubuntu. So let's get started. Search Arduino IDE. Download. And click on this link. Scroll down. We will follow these steps for Linux OS. First, download the latest release of Arduino IDE by clicking this link. Download has started. It will take a while. Download is complete. Let us go to Downloads folder. Double-click on App Image file. Error pops up, so we have to give execute permission as per the steps given. Select File, right-click and go to Properties. Go to Permission tab and tick Allow Execute Permission box, as shown. Now double-click the file. We can see the IDE is not launching. Right-click and go to the terminal. Type ls-ltr and press Enter. You can see the execute permission already granted to the user. Now we will run the app image file. The error is generated saying it requires Fuse to run. Now we will follow next step. This is the error we have encountered. Copy this command to install the Fuse. Paste this command here and press Enter. Enter your admin password. Now Fuse is installed. Run now app image file. Double-click the file. Click Agree. Now IDE is launched. The Arduino packages are getting downloaded. Download finished. Let's go to File and then to Examples. Select the basic and then click on Blink application. Blink application file is open. Click on Tools to select the board. I am selecting Arduino Uno board. See here the board name. Click on Sketch and then Verify, Compile to compile the code. The file is getting compiled. The file is compiled successfully. You can upload it by connected Arduino board to USB port of PC. But we want to build the Blink application for ESP32 board and upload code into it. Let us visit the ESP32 site to copy stable release link for ESP32. Click File and then Preferences. Paste the ESP32 link here and click OK. Go to Tools and then Board, and click on Board Manager. Type here ESP32 and press Enter. Install second board library. Installation has started and it will take a while. Installation is complete. Now go to File and then Examples. Click on Basic then on Blink. Now go to Tools and Board and select your board. I am using DevKit V1 board. Let us define LED pin as 2. Replace LED in place of LED built-in. Code modification is done. Now connect your board to USB port of PC. Let us go to Tools and then to Port to select the USB port to which our board is connected. See port name here. Now go to Sketch and click on Compile. Compilation complete. Now upload the code. Our upload has failed with permission denied error. Let us fix the error. Go to terminal and paste this command. Now enter your username and press enter. Enter your admin password and press enter. Done. Now restart the PC. After restarting the PC, now again try upload the Blink code. Now we can see the code is successfully uploaded. Let's see the ESP32 board. We can see the LED is blinking. That's it for the day. In this video we have seen how to download and install Arduino IDE 2.3 on Ubuntu-based PC. We have also seen how to upload code in ESP32 board. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then hit like, subscribe, share and do comment.